Okay, so you clicked on this video because you want to be confident. Do you want to walk into any meeting, any room with all eyes on you, with people actually listening to you and not pretending like they're hearing what you're saying? Do you want to attract that partner that you desire? Well, I'll show you in this video, baby. Watch till then. See, confidence doesn't depend upon the way you look or the clothes you are wearing. It depends upon the aura you have. Because I saw girls with pretty faces, well dressed, but with zero confidence. Let me give you an example. Have you watched that Bollywood movie Queen? Let me tell you the story of that movie. थोड़ा brief देती हूँ. The story of that movie is that a girl decided to go on a solo honeymoon trip after her wedding gets called off. And you know, शायद वो पेरिस जाती है और आपको पता है मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल क्यों दे रही हूँ यहाँ पर? Because the confidence level she has on the first day was actually zero. But till the last day, she found herself. She realized her worth. She actually got an idea of what confidence actually look like. If you are a girl, that movie is a must watch for you. As a friend, as a sister, एक piece of advice है मेरे पास आपके लिए. किसी ऐसे इंसान के पीछे अपना टाइम, अपनी एनर्जी, अपने एफर्ट्स वेस्ट मत करना जिसको आपकी वर्थ का ही ना पता हो. You know, मुझे था if I was good enough, they would have never done what they did to me. Baby girl, this is a myth. Stop thinking about why someone did what they did. When someone acts disappointing or hurtful towards you, you don't have always assumed that it's because you are not a good person. People act based on their perceptions. You don't know what's going on in their head. You don't know what mindset they are coming from. They come in your life to give you scars, trauma, anxiety, depression, and it takes life to heal from that trauma. Now, come to the point. It's me, Vishali, in front of you. You know, through unfortunate situations in growing up, and after giving chances to wrong persons, I realized my worth. I became confident. I got that thing in me. And right now, I wouldn't do anything if it's not benefiting me. I wouldn't. I always put myself first. You know, I came from that small town जहाँ पर प्रॉपर हिंदी बोलने को भी ये माना जाता है. अगर मैं वहाँ पर जाकर प्रॉपर हिंदी में बात करूँ तो लोग ये मानते हैं कि मेरे अंदर एटीट्यूड है. The mentality of people there is totally different, and that small town girl is much more confident than people living in big cities. It's because I never wanted that life कि मैं 21 में शादी कर लूँ 23 में बच्चे. See, shit happened in everyone's life. If you are a girl, you have to face a lot in your life. So girl, you have to be confident to face that a lot. You know, being a girl, I can say that life of a girl is not easy. ट्रोमा मिलेंगे एंड यू नो हर लड़की के पास एक ऐसा ट्रोमा होता है दैट अनसेड थिंग जो वो किसी को बोल ही नहीं पाई. एंड या इट टेक लाइफ टू हील फ्रॉम दैट ट्रोमा. बीइंग अ गर्ल, अगर मैं आपको कुछ सजेस्ट करूँगी तो वो है बेबी बी सेल्फिश और किसी के लिए खुद को चेंज मत करो. अगर चेंज करना है खुद को तो अपने लिए करो. फर्स्ट थिंग टू बिकम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट इज स्टॉप अटैचिंग योर सेल्फ टू एवरीवन एंड एवरीथिंग. Stop being desperate. Stop being desperate for a relationship. Stop being desperate for a job. Stop being desperate for everything. You know why I am not desperate? Because when you were treated on and you got your heart broke, then you realize that being desperate to someone is the most worst thing you can do to yourself. And I'm very realistic now. This person can leave me anytime. This person can wake up and think like, you know what, I don't love her anymore, or I don't want this anymore, and that's okay. That's okay. If somebody is not happy with you, it's their right to leave, because that's their life. You cannot make somebody forced to stay with you. भाई जो जा रहा है उसको जाने दो. Work on yourself. I know we girls got hurt and it's not easy for us to leave a person, चाहे वो कितना भी टॉक्सिक हो. जब तक लड़की की वो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट हिट नहीं हो जाती कि यार अब नहीं हो पाएगा, तब तक अपने रिलेशनशिप पर गिव अप करना एक लड़की के बस की बात ही नहीं होती है. बट बेबी, यू हैव टू डू दिस. एंड इफ यू फील लाइक आई मिस हिम, देन आई हैव टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डिड यू मिस? द लैक ऑफ एफर्ट्स, द डिसरिस्पेक्ट, द बेयर मिनिमम, द मेमोरीज दैट यू नेवर मेड, द टाइम दैट ही नेवर गिव यू, द गिफ्ट्स ही नेवर गिफ्टेड यू. बेबी, वेयर इज योर बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स? एंड ही कीप घोस्टिंग यू. सो अब तक तो आदत हो जानी चाहिए थी यार. What do you miss? See, everything is going to end one day. And once you have that mentality of like they might leave, then you are not desperate. You know, if I have a job, I think like this job might leave me as well, and I might not have that job anymore. Yeah, I'm not desperate for this job because I know another thing will come. If this partner leaves, another partner will come. I will always have my options because I know I'm amazing. If you feels like you are depressed or you have things to share और आप खुश नहीं हो, आप मेरे साथ 5 मिनट बात कर लो, मेरे साथ 5 मिनट बैठ जाओ. यू एक्चुअली गोट टू नो कि आप इतने खुश भी रह सकते हो. या इतनी अमेजिंग पर्सनैलिटी हूँ मैं. सी, इट्स ओके टू आउटग्रो पीपल, it's okay to outgrow situations, it's okay to not have the same hobbies anymore, it's okay, it's okay to just not want the same career anymore, not want the same things. We are humans, we constantly evolve, like we never ever stay the same. It's okay to not have the same hobbies anymore. Like बचपन में मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी, कभी टीचर बनना चाहती थी, कभी लॉयर बनना चाहती थी, but I became none of that because you know you change when you grow. Even I think right now what I'm doing this is my passion. I love this, I literally love this, and yeah, this is very normal. कुछ फ्रेंड्स जो मेरे कुछ साल पहले दोस्त थे या फिर जिन्हें मैं दोस्त कंसिडर करती थी, अब वो नहीं है. You know why? I outgrew them. I got a different mentality. So it's okay. Wait, I'll give you an example. Like you danced your whole life and you grow up and you are like, you know what, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to dance. This is not something that interests me. It's okay to let that go. You shouldn't be stuck because you spent so many years on it. And the same goes for relationship. Don't think that you have to stay in that relationship because you spent so many years. Years means nothing if the situations doesn't bring you happiness. If there are certain things that you don't like and you don't want to accept them, don't accept them. Not from your friends, not from your family, not from your relationship, from anyone. Don't accept disrespect towards your boundaries. This is really going to elevate your confidence. आपको पता है 1-2 साल पहले I don't even have an idea कि boundary भी कुछ होती है. I don't even have boundaries. I don't have boundaries. People ask me like, Vishali, can you do this for me? And I'll be like, okay, I'll go figure it out. I'll fix this for you. And I would not ask anything for it. But now, if they ask me, Vishali, can you do this for me? And if I don't want to, I said no. No, I can't do this for you. Please, can you come here? No, I can't. But why? What are your plans? Nothing. I'll just sleep. What's wrong with you? It's just that I don't want to do. Girls, take time to understand your own values, your own limits. It reflects on what makes you comfortable or uncomfortable in different situations. And don't laugh at jokes at your own expenses. This self-awareness will help you to set your boundaries. You know, when I was in school, I used to be severely bullied and I thought I had friends. These people are just laughing at me, making jokes on me, like physically tossing me around. And I was like the punch bag, you know why? I have zero boundaries. And I would just laugh with them at myself because I was like, don't take yourself so seriously. No. Take yourself seriously. Take yourself seriously, girls, and make sure nobody ever laughs at you. It's not funny. It's not at all funny. And you know what? They're gonna say, oh, you're so uptight, you can't take a joke. Yeah, exactly. I don't take jokes. Don't take, yeah. Because what they will do to you is you to start to take a joke like they're like, ha, you're so dumb. You're like, ha, yes, whatever. And the next time they're like, you are so stupid. And you know what? Little by little, you're gonna see that these people start to mean what they are saying, and it's not a joke anymore. They really think of you like that. From the beginning, even somebody jokes to you like, you're so dumb. Ask them, please elaborate. Why did you call me dumb? This is my new mentality, literally. If somebody makes a rude joke or anything towards me, I ask them to explain it. Don't let anybody ever laugh at you like that. Never. You know, let me tell you one thing. So, ये एक बहुत personal बात है, but I want to share it with you guys. कि so I was in relationship with that person, or that guy cheated on me with two girls. He was dating two girls at the same time. Third one was me. And literally the audacity of that guy is, जब मैंने उसको बोला कि ऐसे ऐसे मुझे पता चला है and you are dating them also, he said कि he don't want to give any explanation and he blocked me. Literally he blocked me. आप समझ रहे हो? कभी कभी ना मुझे इतना हर्ट होता है कि जहाँ पर मुझे सेल्फिश होना चाहिए था, मैं वहाँ पर सेल्फिश क्यों नहीं थी? क्यों मैंने अपना नुकसान किया? Girl, be selfish. At the end of the day, selfish people wins. Put yourself always first. Think about your own needs first and then everybody else. Because who you have at the end of the day? You have yourself. If you're going to put everybody constantly in front of you, then what are you doing? Really? What is happening to you? What are you? Are you even valuable to yourself? How do you want to be valuable to other people if you don't even value yourself? People that will start angry at you for putting yourself first are the same people that benefits from putting yourself last. And that's it. Nobody else will get angry at you for that. See, confidence is not loud. You cannot be like कि आप एक रूम में गए और वहाँ पर आप चिल्ला कर बोल रहे हो, oh God, how good I am look. No. Confident person is silent because their confidence radiates. So they'll sit down and you'll feel that aura. You have to be humble but aware of your worth. At the end of the day, you're not better than anyone. You are still human. They bleed, you will bleed as well. You are the same. But you know your value. You know your worth. You wouldn't settle for less than you think that you deserve. That is confidence, baby. Realize that most people are really just interested in their own lives. So what is embarrassment? Really, honestly, you know what? I can tell you one thing. It doesn't matter if a person is millionaire or poor or a billionaire. Doesn't matter what they are. I'm looking at these humans. They don't even know themselves. They don't even know themselves. What they are doing with their lives, they are still figuring it out. Still, even if they are 80s, they are still figuring it out. So everybody is figuring their life. Everybody is so busy and engraved in their own lives. Nobody really care about you. You are not that important. So क्यों embarrass होना? और किससे? Those people who don't even care about you. आपको याद है कोई ऐसा embarrassing moment किसी का? See, everyone is like this. Important thing to remember is that embarrassment happens to everyone. No one is immune to them. It's normal part of life. And it's okay to feel a little embarrassment in certain situations. No one literally cares. तो फिर आप embarrassed किससे हो रहे हो? अगर आपको कुछ start करना है, आप वो start क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? आप ये क्यों feel कर रहे हो कि ओ मुझे बहुत embarrassed feel होगा, वो लोग हंसेंगे, शायद उन्हें अच्छा नहीं लगेगा? No baby, no one literally care. एक दिन हंस लेगा कोई, 2 दिन हंस लेगा. उससे पूछो ना कि भाई तुम हंसे क्यों? इसमें क्या गलत था ऐसा कि तुम हंस गए? That is confidence. कि अगर आप उनसे सामने से जाके पूछ रहे हो कि भाई आप हंसे क्यों इस चीज पे? Baby, life is simple. आप इसको hard बना रहे हो. Another thing I want you to do is just go up to people and start talking to them. What is they gonna do to you? What is the worst can happen? No, go away, I don't want to talk to you. बस यही होगा ना? Okay, bye. I'm gonna go to the next person and talk to them. Literally, मैंने कुछ दोस्त ऐसे ही बनाए हैं. Or they are like my best friends. They are very close to my heart. I randomly clicked on them. I randomly start talking to them. It takes confidence कि आप जाके एक random इंसान से बात कर रहे हो. Start acting like you are already confident. At the end of the day, if you really think about it, how do you know even if I am confident or not? I can be faking this for all I know. Like literally, I can just be walking around and acting like I am confident. But I'm just the most insecure human being ever. How will you ever know? You will never know if I'm really confident or not. So why not just start acting? Start acting like you are confident, even if you are not. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. आई एम दैट कॉन्फिडेंट इन माई लाइफ कि अगर मुझे 10,000, 20,000, 1 लाख लोगों के सामने भी बोलने के लिए बोला जाए ना कि आपको यहाँ खड़े होकर सबके सामने बोलना है, आई कैन स्पीक. डू यू? लाइक लिटरली अपने अंदर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस लेकर आओ कि लोगों को वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिखे, आपके बात करने के तरीके में, आपके रहने के तरीके में, आपके हर वे में लोगों को कॉन्फिडेंस दिखना चाहिए. गर्ल, यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू हैव टू बी मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू हैव टू बी इमोशनली स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, अगर आपको इस वर्ल्ड में सर्वाइव करना है ना तो आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनना पड़ेगा. स्ट्रॉन्ग बनने के लिए सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कॉन्फिडेंस. अपने अंदर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस लेकर आओ कि आप स्ट्रॉन्ग बन पाओ, आप अकेले जी पाओ. यू नो, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना. मैं अपने साथ बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ क्योंकि दैट लिटरली हील्स मी. दैट लिटरली हील्स मी फ्रॉम दैट थिंग जो मैंने फेस की है. Acknowledge yourself, love yourself, hug yourself, give yourself the love that you need. Give it to yourself. You are craving love from other people. Honey, you can give it to yourself. Take yourself on dates, literally. Like, I go to the cinemas alone. I go to the restaurants alone. And I don't care. Me, Vishali, is my best friend. Enjoy your company, enjoy your life. Stop taking things so seriously. And yeah, someone who is watching this video and find anything good for you, please let me know in the comment section. And I want you guys to know that I love you so much. And if you want to hear together, grow together and glow together,